In case you are new to the channel, my name is Patrick and I've been a software engineer for about 15 years now. I have created a coding platform where I turn developers into senior software engineers using Go. I got a lot of feedback from users where they say they really like the platform. However, they was not able to use Vim, so they felt a bit slow when going through the lessons. And because of that, I decided I need to add Vim to the platform. Let me show you how it works. Here I'm inside a lesson for creating a rate limiter. What I can do is I can use Command K or Ctrl K on Windows, and then I will get up an action bar. And here I have options that say enable Vim mode. I will select that. And we can then see here Vim mode is enabled, and we can also see in what mode Vim is in. I can now start navigating the lesson with the Vim key binding. And I also wanted it to be possible to navigate the lesson without using the mouse. To switch focus, I can use Option, Command K, and we can now see that the lesson pane has the focus. And here I can start scrolling the page with Y and K. And then if I do Command Option K again, it will jump back focus to the lesson. And because I know there's a lot of people out there that want to learn Vim, but they might feel it's a bit overwhelming. And to solve that problem, I also created a Vim course. If I open up the command bar, I can then go to courses, and then I can search for Vim, and I can press here Vim in the editor, and we can then see here I get up the course for Vim. And currently it has 16 lessons. They will take you through step by step how to use Vim. If we open up a lesson here, for example, walk to the bug, we can then see here in the right pane that we have a highlight that the goal for these lessons is to use the HJKL to navigate to the highlight. So for every lesson, it will teach you a new concept of Vim. And when you're done with this course, hopefully you will feel confident using Vim and you can become much faster when coding. Now, if you ever been thinking of creating your own application, I will give you one of the most powerful tips, and that is always listen to the feedback from your users. I would also want to show you some more things that I've been adding to the platform. I have redesigned the whole dashboard to make it very clear what the next step is. So there will always be a continue button, so you can go to the next lesson currently where you are. And then I wanted to make it very clear what are the steps to becoming a senior engineer. So I created a roadmap, and if we scroll down here, we can see step by step. Here are all the courses in the correct order. And we can see we start with the core languages, then we go through interface and concurrency. Then we move on to real world Go, where we take a deeper dive into the language, how to organize code, and also you will be building a web crawler. And then I have some more section planned out, and that is how to think like a software engineer. And if we keep moving down, you will get more familiar with the Go language and how to write clean code in Go, how to work with a database, and how to use different data structure and design patterns. And then here I also have a section planned for system design, and the last section take you through microservices and cloud. And then I also have real world projects that you can go through. And in case you would like to try the platform, the first course is completely free. And if you have any feedback on how I can improve the platform, just hit the feedback button and I will make sure to read it. And every feedback I get, I take it very seriously and I analyze the feedback and try to understand how can I make the best experience for people that want a guided path how to become a senior engineer. If you tried any other coding platforms, it would be very interesting to hear in the comments. What are some things that you've been missing that you wish existed in those platforms? And for more content about software engineering and about the Go programming language, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.